Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best MacBook Pro charger available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Anker Nano II, 45-watt wall charger. This single-port 45-watt charger is a much better option for MacBook Air owners, as we believe that the Apple-supplied 30-watt or 35-watt power adapters are a little underpowered for the laptop's potential maximum needs. It is also tiny in comparison to the Apple-supplied charger, 38% smaller in volume than Apple's non-GaN 30-watt power adapter, and 20% smaller than the 35-watts charger, and significantly cheaper while being a safe, trusted brand. Like the other Anker wall chargers, this model features foldable United States plug pins. Because the M2 Air can be fast charged using a 65-watt or higher power adapter, the Anker 715 65-watt charger is a better option and only a few bucks more in price and fractions of an inch in size. Or you should consider a multi-port 65 watts charger, such as the UGreen Nexode 65 watts 3-port charger or the Anker 735 65-watt charger, both of which are super compact and will charge other devices at the same time as you are charging a laptop. Number 2. Anker USB-C 140 watts charger. While it is just one port like the Apple 140-watt power adapter, the Anker 717 is 40% smaller than Apple's tall charger, so makes it a much better choice if you travel with your laptop. It features foldable pins. Anker has now released its own PD 3.1 fast-charging USB-C 140-watt charger, the Anker 717 charger United States, which is the same price and limited to the same one port. It is, however, 40% smaller than Apple's super tall 140-watt charger. We therefore recommend this as a second charger for 16-inch MacBook Pro owners if they travel with their laptop a lot. By swapping out silicon for gallium nitride, GaN, it's able to increase efficiency, improve heat dissipation, and reduce the size of our chargers. Again, like the Apple charger, its USB-C port is PD 3.1 and so can fast charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro, or any fast charge supporting MacBook for that matter. To fast charge the 16-inch Pro, you will need to use the MagSafe rather than a USB-C cable. It's the same price as Apple's charger and does also require the MagSafe cable to fast charge the 16-inch Pro. Number 3. UGreen Nexode 200 watts USB Type-C charger. This desktop charger is a beast in terms of total output and number of ports, 6, but a lot smaller than you might expect. Want it carried on your person, but it's compact enough for travel purposes. We'd expect it to stay put, however, and charge multiple devices over a few desks. It can charge up to 4 USB-C devices, 3 laptops and a USB-C tablet, and 2 smartphones or other devices at the same time with its giant 200 watts of total charging power. Despite the 200 watts total output, the most one port can manage is 100 watts, which is fine for charging even Apple's largest laptop but not for fast charging the 16 inches Pro. This is a great option if you need to charge up to 3 MacBooks at a time, for example, 2 at 65 watts and 1 at 45 watts, and there's capacity to spare to power another device at 20 watts. Using all 6 ports would allow a combination of 1 65 watts PD, 2 45 watts PD, and 1 20 watts PD and 2 less hungry devices, such as iPhone, AirPods or iPad. It ships with a 3.3 feet, 1 m, USB-C cable. Number 4. ZMI zPower Turbo 65 watts USB Type-C charger. This charger is the best charger you can buy if the Nekteck 60 watts charger is out of stock, or is selling for more than $30. It offers 65-watt charging in a relatively compact package about the same size as the Nekteck. Like the Nekteck, it passed our total phase tests without any issues, which means that it will charge safely and correctly match the power level of whatever you plug it into. However, it doesn't have USB-F certification like the Nekteck charger does. ZMI includes a 5-foot, 100-watt USB Type-C cable in the box, and that cable also passed our tests. The ZMI charger properly powered a 13-inch MacBook Pro at 60 watts, and it showed the expected results in the total phase tests. Although it can provide up to 65 watts, the zPower Turbo's extra power will only be accessed by more power-hungry devices, and even then, it won't make a big difference in charging speeds. Although nice to have, the extra 5 watts doesn't provide any practical value. Measuring 1.97 by 1.97 by 1.1 inches, the zPower Turbo is almost identical in size to the Nekteck 60 watts charger and once again about half the size of Apple's 61 watts USB-C power adapter. The plain black box isn't going to win any design awards, but with the contrasting glossy and matte surfaces it does look nicer than many chargers. The 5-foot cable that comes with the 65-watt charger is designed to support up to 100 watts, which we verified with total phase testing. The charger and cable combo comes with an 18-month warranty, as well. Number 5. Nekteck 100 watts PD 3.0 Gone Wall Charger. This charger provides enough power for a 14, 15, or 16-inch MacBook Pro at less than half the price of one of Apple's 96 watts USB-C power adapters. It's smaller, too. You can find even smaller high power draw chargers, but they're a lot more expensive than this particularly affordable model. We think it provides a great balance of price, size, and power. The square power brick is quite compact. Apple's charger is 3.2 inches square and just over an inch thick, while Nekteck's is 2.75 inches square and about 1.2 inches thick. Both the Apple and Nekteck chargers have fold-out prongs, but the prongs on Nekteck's charger can't be removed and replaced with a longer cord as they can on an Apple charger. Like the company's 60W charger, the 100W Nekteck charger is USB-F certified, meaning an independent lab has verified that it meets a set of criteria for safety and performance. This Nekteck charger includes a 6-foot-long removable USB-C cable, adding to the value of the package. Note that Nekteck states that this charger does not support charging through Apple's MagSafe cables, only USB-C, so that included 6 feet, 2 meters, USB-C cable comes in handy, and it's not powerful enough to fast charge a 16 inches MacBook Pro. It's available in the United States only. And if anything happens to the charger itself, Nekteck provides a 12-month warranty. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, do comment and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.